Hello friends, in this video I will discuss how to derive Beer's and Lambert's law equation. If a certain monochromatic light passes through a medium, in this case medium is liquid sample kept in cuvette. Here the wavelength of light is fixed and intensity of light falling on sample cuvette is also fixed. So if the intensity of incident light is I0 and after transmitting the sample cuvette it will be I. So it is obvious that after passing the sample cuvette the intensity of light would be decreased. This decrement in light is calculated to determine the property of sample with the help of Beer's and Lambert's law equation. As we know that every chemical or compound has its own property. Scientist August Beer has stated that absorbance of light is directly proportional to the concentration of sample, whereas Lambert has stated that absorbance is directly proportional to the path length of sample, which is mentioned in equation 2. On combining equation 1 and 2 we get equation 3. And equation 3 can be converted into equation 4 by adding constant epsilon. Intensity of light is nothing but the number of photons falling at the cuvette per unit time. Now let's derive the equation. I wrote here minus di by dl is directly proportional to the Ci. Here minus sign shows that decrement in the intensity of light. This equation says that change in intensity of light per unit of distance. By adding constant k, we get here minus di by dl equal to kci. Above equation can be rewrite as di by I equal to minus kc dl. So far we were talking about a small fraction of length of sample container. But now we are going to calculate how much light is absorbed or transmitted while passing across sample cuvette. Hence we need integration. Integrate from starting point to end point. Means when length was 0 and that is starting point, and after passing total length becomes L. We need to integrate it from I0 to I. I0 is incident light and I is the transmitted light. As K and C are the constants, so they do not need to be integrated. And length we are going to integrate from 0 to L. On solving previous equation and applying limits, we get this equation. We can rewrite above equation as ln I minus ln I naught equal to minus kcl. To remove minus sign from right hand side, this equation need to be multiplied by minus to both sides. After rearranging above equation, we get we know that log a minus log b equal to log a by log b. So we can rewrite above equation as I assume that you guys know the ln is natural log, which is also known as log to the base e. Here we need to convert it into log base 10. Therefore, we have to multiply it by 2.303 to the log base 10. Or constant k equal to 1 by CL into 2.303 log I naught by I. Previous equation can be rewritten as k by 2.303 equal to 1 by CL into log I naught by I. Please note that this portion k by 2.303 is known as molar coefficient of absorption and can be replaced by epsilon. Epsilon equal to 1 by CL into I naught by I. Above equation can be rewritten as epsilon CL equal to log I naught by I. This portion epsilon CL is known as absorption and is expressed by capital A. So we can rewrite it as A equal to I naught by I. So we have derived the formula to calculate the absorption. We can also calculate transmittance by this formula T equal to I by I naught. I have made a consolidated page for all steps involved in to derive the equation. You can take a screenshot for your future reference. Thanks for watching.